If you're starting from zero, $100,000 sounds like a fantasy number. But it isn't. It's just the first serious milestone where money starts to feel less fragile. And here's why this matters. In the US, more than 1 in 4 people have less than $1,000 in savings. And less than half say they could cover a $1,000 emergency with liquidity or access to funds. So if you're feeling behind, you're not alone. But today, I'm going to show you a clean, repeatable way to go from $0 to $100,000. No hype. No, just invest in the next big thing. Just a system. $100,000 doesn't make you rich. It makes you stable. It's the point where emergencies stop feeling like disasters. It's the point where you can make better career decisions because you've got runway. And it's the point where compounding finally becomes visible. Charlie Munger famously said the first $100,000 is the hardest, and he wasn't wrong. But here's the part most people miss. Your first $100,000 usually comes from saving and earning, not investment returns. Early on, your money can't do much work, because there isn't enough of it yet. So your biggest weapon at the start is your gap, income minus spending. Step 1 is not investing. Step 1 is stopping the bleed. Here's your 30-minute reset. Pull up your last month of spending and circle anything in these buckets. Subscriptions you forgot, random food delivery, impulse shopping. Your mission is to free up $200 to $500 a month. That alone changes the speed of everything. Step 2. Build your first safety floor, rides you didn't need, and interest charges. Your first milestone is $1,000 in cash. Not because it solves everything, but because it stops you from living one surprise away from panic. Remember, less than half of Americans say they can cover a $1,000 emergency with liquidity or access to funds. So $1,000 is a psychological shift. It's the moment you stop being completely exposed. Step 3. If you have high-interest debt, especially credit cards, you treat it like a fire. Because credit card interest isn't a fee, it's compounding working against you. So the rule is simple. Minimum payments on everything, then attack the highest interest first. Or use the snowball method if you need momentum wins. Either way, pick a method and finish the job. Step 4 is the cheat code. Automate your gap. Every time you get paid, your money should split automatically. A portion to savings, a portion to investing. The rest stays for spending. Because if it relies on willpower, it won't survive a stressful week. Start with something boring and realistic. Even 10% of take-home pay automated is a huge win. Now let's make $100,000 feel real. Don't think 100,000. Think milestones. $1,000. Safety floor $10,000. You can handle most problems $25,000. Real breathing room. $50,000. You start to feel unbreakable $100,000. Stability plus momentum. You dawn. To climb a mountain by staring at the peak. You climb it by hitting the next marker. If you want $100,000, you only have 3 levers. 1. Spend less than you earn. 2. Earn more than you spend. 3. Invest the difference, that's it. And the order matters. If you're drowning, you don't optimize investing first. You stabilize first, then accelerate. Here is the pragmatic roadmap. Free up $300 to $500 a month by cutting leaks. Build the $1,000 safety floor, kill high-interest debt if it exists, automate savings plus investing. Add income growth, raise, job switch, skill upgrade, side work. If you can push your monthly gap to $1,000, you're not hoping anymore. You're building. And once you're investing consistently, the snowball starts rolling faster. So here's my challenge to you. In the next 48 hours, do one action. Cancel one subscription, set one automatic transfer, or list one thing to sell. Momentum starts with one move. And if you're serious about building real financial freedom, start with one step and keep going. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.